Hi guys, this is Chelsea from the Great Falls Public Library. Today we are going to be doing a monster themed toddler time for the month of October. Toddler time is appropriate for ages baby to 2.5. We are going to be reading the book Monster Party by Annie Bach, but we are going to start by waving hello. So get ready to wave hello to all your friends. Okay, are you ready? Everybody wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Let's have some fun. Okay, so now we're going to clap our hands just like we did. You ready? Everybody clap your hands, clap your hands, clap your hands. Everybody clap your hands. Let's have some fun. Okay, now we're going to wiggle our ears. Can you wiggle your ears? Can't see mine very well, but they're there, I promise. Okay, here we go. Everybody wiggle your ears, wiggle your ears, wiggle your ears. Everybody wiggle your ears. Let's have some fun. Now we're going to flap our wings like this. We have wings now. Everybody flap your wings, flap your wings, flap your wings. Everybody flap your wings. Let's have some fun. Wave hello one more time. Everybody wave hello, wave hello, wave hello. Everybody wave hello. Now our song is done. All right, good job. So the next song is going to be our first monster song. It's going to be a monster version of head, shoulders, knees, and toes. So we're going to start with our head, but instead of our head, we're going to have horns. And then we're going to have fangs, and then knees, because even monsters have knees. And then claws, and then we'll have eyes and ears, and tails. Some monsters have tails, and some monsters have paws. So we're going to do it 2 times. So are you ready? Start with your horns. Get your horns ready. Horns and fangs and knees and claws, eyes and ears and tails and paws. Horns and fangs and knees and claws, eyes and ears and tails and paws. Okay, so our next monster song is The Monsters Go Stomping Around the House. It's a tune I think that you'll recognize. Here we go, so get ready to stomp. Are you ready to stomp? Okay, here we go. The monsters stomp around the house, hurrah, hurrah. The monsters stomp around the house, hurrah, hurrah. The monsters stomp around the house, their brothers and sisters kick them out, so they stomp around some more. Outside, around the house, boom, boom, boom. The monsters stomp around the house, hurrah, hurrah. The monsters stomp around the house, hurrah, hurrah. The monsters stomp around the house, their brothers and sisters kick them out, so they stomp around outside. Oh yeah, around the house, boom, boom, boom. Oh my goodness, monsters love to stomp and romp, I think. But now we're going to read about a monster party. So once again, this is by Annie Bach. Open it up here. Here's the opening page. Monster party. That monster looks awfully happy. I wonder why he's so happy. Oh, so excited. Monster invited. Monster delighted. Monster squeals. So excited. Monster prepare. Monster brush hair. Even monsters brush their hair. Monster picks out underwear. Picking special underwear for the party. Do you pick special underwear when you go to parties? I wonder if every monster does that. Monster arrive. Monster high five. So make sure you can see that. Monster joins the disco jive. Look at them all dancing there. The monster even has glasses on. These are little glasses. We got wings up here, and a party hat, and a disco ball. Looks like they're having a good time. Cool. Monster spin, monster pin. Looks like they're playing pin the tail on the monster. But monster peeks and monster wins. Peeks, look, he's peeking and then he wins. Monster swoosh, monster whoosh. Looks like they're doing a piñata. Do you know what piñata is? You hit it and candy falls out. Monster whacks, the candy's loose. Look at all the candy falling out. A lot of candy for a lot of monsters. Monster munch, monster crunch. Look at that. Does it look like pizza? Monster eats a buggy lunch. Oh my goodness, that does look like pizza with centipedes on it. I would not eat a pizza with centipedes on it, but I guess for monsters it would be very good. Monster blow, monster, whoa! Look at the tower of cupcakes, looks like it's going to fall over. Oh my goodness, monster watch out, splat. Oh no, it did fall. There's a cupcake on that monster's head. Oh my goodness, look at them all. They're all covered in cupcakes. Now they're having a food fight with cupcakes. Monster icky, monster sticky. Oh my goodness, look at all that. The monsters dig in. They're not picky. Just licking the icing right off of his face. Would you do that? I would do that. Icing is good. Don't want to waste it. Oh, it looks like it's present time. Monster unwrap, monster clap. He seems to be happy about his gift. Monster likes his friend's new cap. That's what he got for his birthday, was a new hat. Monster buy. Oh, monster cry. Monster wipe a teary eye. He doesn't want to leave. He was having fun. Uh-oh. But monster pout and monster shout. Monster huffs and storms about. Now he seems to be throwing a bit of a fit. I don't know. Oh, monster's still unhappy. Monster wail, monster tail, like pulling his dad's tail. Monster helps dad check the mail. Oh, monster invited, so excited. Monster delighted, monster squeals. You're invited. He's got another invitation. Monster glee, monster yippee. Monster marks RSVP. He is going to another party. That is a cute story. Would you ever go to a monster party? I think that I would, especially if they were having cupcakes and if they were having a bit of a cupcake fight. I think that might be fun. Now we are going to sing goodbye to all of our friends. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. See you next week. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.